All right, there she is, all hooked up and ready to go to the show. I dropped the ball and didn't film any of the process of hooking it up because I'm still not a good YouTube person. So someday I will learn to film everything. But anyway, this is this video here. I was going to ask for your help. All my millions of followers that I have here. But this truck here is a 1980 Kenworth K100, and it has a 1958 Reliance 22-foot trailer. But what I need your help with is I'd like to sell this truck, and it's actually my dad's truck, but I'm doing this for him. And so yeah, this truck is for sale. We'd like to sell it as a combo, but we're open for if someone just wants the truck. Prefer not to sell just the trailer until we got rid of the truck, you know what I mean? But preferably as a combo, but you know, anyway. So yeah, so we're wanting to get rid of it. My dad's just trying to downsize. He's at that point in his life, he's trying to downsize, and so we just like to go have it go to a new home, someone that can enjoy it and take it out and, you know, put their stamp on it and take it out and take it to the truck shows and stuff. So this truck, like I said, it's a 1980 K100. We got it from over in Nevada. The truck, not the trailer, just the truck came from Nevada. Basically is a glider kit. No engine, no transmission, just sitting out in a farmer's field. And my dad brought it home, and he did quite a bit of work on it. Put all new floors in it. We found a parts donor truck in '83 that we pulled the engine out of, and all like a wiring harness, other parts. But anyway, so now it has a Cummins big cam 3 or 350, just a running takeout. We put a new compressor on it and resealed the accessory drive, new belts, hoses. Does have 2 new injectors on number 5 and number 6, but we didn't overhaul it or anything. It was running, it's still running, and for the limited miles that we do, we thought it would be fine. It has a 12.513 speed in it, and then a R170 rear end. This truck here, is interesting. It has disc brakes. They're like S-cam disc brakes. They're like the early style ones, I guess, the ones that didn't work so well. But this truck has discs, front and rear. And I know my dad put new pads on it. See if I can get you down there. He went through new pads. You know, I don't know. He just went through and touched everything up. So we painted this truck ourselves, our colors. Someone, you know, I think it looks good. It's no trying to think of the word. It's just a rejuvenation, as my dad likes to call it. You know, it's not a show truck, but it's a good looking truck. So like I said, my dad put new floors in it because they were all rotted out. Had new aluminum put in the floors. It has the VIT interior. It is still missing the back panel. We have some interior pieces laying around that I think you could make something that would work for the rear panel. I know my dad did rebuild the doors. This side didn't get, it still has a chain crank, but I know he put new handles and new weather stripping and all the mechanism. So they close real nice. Does have a little flaw in the paint. Didn't stick here on this edge for some reason. We put new windshield in it, new glass, you know, cab lights, roof, or horns and stuff. This door, we put the scissor crank in it, works immaculate. Like I said, the inside, the doghouse cover we have, it just needs some vinyl repair, and then like I said, on the back wall. So, and it's missing a few things on the dash, the ID markers and, you know, miscellaneous things. I do know the speedometer is not working. I don't know why. I put a new sending unit in it. I just have never taken the time to investigate that. So speedometer doesn't work. Fuel gauge, we put a new gauge in the tank. It worked for a little bit. Currently it's not working again. So I know those two things are not functioning right now. As far as the trailer goes, this trailer sat at a local hardware store up the road from us for 35-40 years, and we brought it home, sandblasted it, painted it, new floors on the inside, or not new floors, refinished the floors, plywood lined. The tires you don't have to take unless you want them. Up in the front you can see there's more interior pieces, but yeah, it's all plywood lined, it's weather tight, so it's a nice little van, you know, makes the combo pretty good. Has grease hubs on the back that we went through, new seals, re-greased the bearings and stuff. So yeah, that's just a quick little overview of it. If anyone is interested, just shoot me an email, fourthover@gmail.com, and I can fill you in more. Like I said, just looking to find it a new home. My dad's trying to downsize, and I just can't keep it. I mean, we got this truck, the dump truck, my log truck. I'm working on Brownie. There's just too many. So I'd like to see if someone can buy it and find itself a new home. I think it's a cool little combo, you know. It's a good looking little unit for truck shows and other things. So anyway, like I say, if you're interested, shoot me an email, fourthover@gmail.com, and I'll give you whatever information you might need, and we can go from there. So yeah, I'd really like your help. If you know somebody that was really interested in it, please let me know. And like always, thank you for supporting me. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.